Okay, I want to do a quick little video because I was talking to a gentleman out in Pennsylvania and he almost bought a truck from me, was curious about putting a motorcycle lift on the back of his truck. And so we just had this one come in. A customer was doing some work in our shop and he took his bike off, otherwise I'd show you with it on there. But just to give you guys some quick measurements, this one is about 94 inches long from side to side, and it's about 24 inches in width. And I believe in order for you to clear the handlebars on your sleeper, you're going to have it spaced out from the back of sleeper to this edge over here about 40 inches to have it set up on there. But what we've talked about doing through our body shop is being able to put side extenders on the side of the truck and build it on there. So I'm going to move over to a new truck and kind of give you an idea of what I was talking about. So this is my burnt orange with black fender truck. I got a solo video on this truck here, but I wanted to show you real quick, just for example, what we talked about doing. If I was to take one of my stock trucks at 280 wheelbase, essentially what we do is take your hose antenna and move it back, and we'd probably just put it over here as close to the fifth wheel as possible. Now if we were to put that bike lift on this particular truck, it would bring the edge right about here. And we believe in our body shop that if you even wanted to put some sort of side extender on the back, then we could, to help kind of protect your bike around the back side of the truck and make them so that they fold, and so that you could easily get your truck on and off your, or I'm sorry, your bike on and off your truck. So just a quick little video. I thought it'd be a fun little project to take on. So anybody would like to take their Harley out on the road. The neat part about that one is the guy brought his truck in for service, and here in southern Colorado, it's a beautiful day to go riding. He said, work on my truck, took his bike off and took off. So fun lifestyle to have if you're on the road a lot. But if you have any questions, give me a call. Again, my name is JW, 970-518-5520. If you like these videos, go ahead and click in the button in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe. We'd love to have you, and we'll talk soon.